What time is it, my creatives? That's right, it's photo hacking time, and it's your host, Charlotte Salcedo, and today we're going to be creating cloud brushes. So much fun. And I have already went ahead and created them. So this was the result from what I extracted from the background and created some cloud brushes. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to need is that you're going to need a very contrasty, let me go ahead and delete this layer here. First thing that you're going to need is a very contrasty image. I will link this image in the description below, so that way you guys have this image, or you can use your own cloud image. That's totally up to you. So basically what we're going to do here is we are going to select this with the color range tool, and we are going to choose the selection of highlights and the fuzziness of 20, range 190, and press OK. And that should give you a pretty good selection of the clouds. You can choose more of the clouds, but for this tutorial we're only selecting a portion of the clouds. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create a new layer. You're going to click on the existing cloud layer and press Ctrl C, and then click into the new layer and press Ctrl V. So if you turn off the layer, you'll see that you'll have a perfect selection of clouds. So how do you make these clouds black? Well, in order for the Photoshop to capture any type of brush settings, they have to be black. So how you can do this is you're going to click on the cloud layer and press Ctrl I. That is going to turn the clouds black, but they're not fully black. They're kind of like a brownish. So in order to make these completely black, you're going to go to Image, Adjustments, and Desaturate. That is going to make these clouds more black. Now you can make this whole picture a brush, or you can choose to create selections of the cloud here as a brush, like so. You can just choose to select portions of this to make a brush, and then go to Edit, Define Brush Preset. Then now you have a cloud brush that you can stamp anywhere. So that is really cool. Now, bonus points if you use a higher resolution image. I just got this image off the internet, and it wasn't that high of a quality image as you can see here. But that is how you make cloud brushes, and that's in 3 minutes or less on how to make a cloud brush. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe and comment. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.